Okay, let's get a collective reading today. Guides in the highest good and love and light, please guide us today for the collective listening. I'm feeling like really expansive energy, like there could be like an energetic shift going on, possibly. Like a mindset shift, almost like. Okay. All right, Spirit, what we got today for us? Okay. Yeah, it's like you've spent some time really like pulling your energy back from spaces where they have been, and it was really draining you quite a bit, but you're starting to like pull that power back, and like you're like centering your peace through that process of pulling back the energy that you had in other places throughout your life. And you've got to this place where you're like really at this place where you're totally mastering your emotions. That's so great. Let's see, what else do we got? Anything else, Spirit? Whoa. Yeah, like you're no longer, like your thoughts are no longer like, you were in a place before where like your thoughts really were your worst enemy. And now you've flipped that around, and now you're like using those things to actually like make things better for your life. You've realized the power of like how negative thoughts really were like taking control of your life, and now you're turning that around. And what that's really going to bring in for you is like this super grounded abundance that's like ready to come in super fast. And I think you're feeling that come. Like it's like you're feeling the speed of something coming towards you, and like you can feel that it's coming. Like you can feel the shift. And I feel like this is a collective that's really in tune with energies, and it might be like a new thing for you, but now you've realized that like once you made that shift in the mind, that you're feeling this energy just come in really fast. And wow, it feels like this is like a powerful energy. Like I'm feeling like lots of energy just like coming towards me, but it like isn't like, it feels like it's abundance or something. Like you had everything in escrow, like all these like really wonderful, great things that you're about to have. And then like once you made that shift in your mind, like all of it's ready to just run towards you. Like that's like the feeling that I'm picking up right now. Wow, that's really cool. Man, I love that. I love that energy. Anything else, Spirit, that we should know today? No. Oh, wow. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's like death to the old life. Like you finally cut the cord, and yeah, you're walking into that star energy. I love this. Ah, I cannot wait. Tell me what happens, please. I want to know, because this is like such intense energy.